Good day, everyone. Ali's here from Safi Financial Network. Today is August 7, 2023. Here is another daily analysis for today, Monday. We had uptick for S&P 500. Nice coming back, and we were looking for this rally is coming up. So this rally could be kind of like a dead cat bounce after 4 consecutive down day. And today, just the rally was nice. Like anyway, if you want to slice and dice it, today rally was pretty sharp, just gapped up, and market just pushed the price higher all the way to recapture this trend line. However, still it is below SMA 20, and also still below this breakout level, which is pretty important, because if it goes above SMA 20, I should say, any pullback to this area, we should see how it's going to last. But if it goes back up again, so that would be kind of like a rally to probably to the higher high to the middle of August. Usually, seasonally, we have first 2 weeks of August negative, then the later part of the month is going to be a positive until August, I should say 25th to 28th, 29, and then September, just the beginning of the September, we will get to the shaky part, and we can go all the way down to here, which I'm thinking of this rally could be kind of like an ABC down, and then we should see this correction, sorry, it could be ABC down for first 2 weeks of the August. Then we can see rally, and this rally, we are going to just learn ourselves about the potential rally from August 15, 16 to the end of the month, and we will see how it goes. CPI number, which is going to be very, very important, is coming this Thursday, August 10th, and that would be kind of like a decisive moment for the market. And astrological event, that's going to be a reversal point as well. So we've got a square, and we will see how it goes. If that reversal is just going to be a rally for 2-3 days and then coming down sharply on the CPI, or that could be kind of like just going down and then CPI is coming back again. After CPI, we will get a rally. But all in all, regardless of this, despite of all those information, I'm just looking for again another pullback here to this area, which is going to be 44.31 for S&P 500, probably for the first potential intermediate bottom. And then we should see a rallies coming up for the later months of August. And we are just going to educate ourselves how its rally is going to be and how its rally is going to be last. Just because if it goes to a lower high and then coming down, that would be kind of like I should say, a bad scenario for the market, because the next phase of the correction, which is going to be September, October, which is going to be a good buying opportunity, that's going to be a deeper, and we just need to learn about that one as well. So all in all, we just need to educate ourselves more. Stochastic wise, we got into this oversold condition. And last time we got into oversold condition, we got a very, very nice rally to the upside. So RSI is coming back down all the way sharply to here. Still, it could be a potential down to here. But all in all, when I see this, I should say rally is going to be a potential for next 2-3 days. And then sell-off is going to be after that, and it's going to continuing after that. So we'll see how it goes. Volume for SPY was pretty nice, 97 million for SPY, which is the S&P 500. So if that rally continues tomorrow, probably we just hit the bottom information as well. So Nasdaq was kind of like a different story. Nasdaq, we had rally, but this rally just tested here. We just had like a lower shadow here. Even Nasdaq goes to negative territory some part of the day, but ended up with a positive, nicely positive going up. So still in this channeling up bull flag. So we need to get recaptured about a 15,540 to see a more rally, potentially to here to 15,600. And then we should see how market is going to react to this, because that's going to be a decisive moment, I should say, for Nasdaq. Still looking for this as like a bearish consolidation, and we can just see another dip down to 14,800. So we will see how it goes for Nasdaq. But stochastic wise, RSI and also MACD gives us a nice buying signal as well. So this buying signal is going to be a daily. And when we look at the weekly chart, I'm sure that you have seen this. If you haven't seen my weekly analysis, please do. The weekly chart tells me that we are just at the beginning of the weekly correction, and any rally could be a sell opportunity based on the bigger time frame. But again, we have seen this before, and market just goes to kind of like a bullish formation and then getting back to a nice opportunity for the buy. But still looking for this area as like a corrective move to here. So this area could be a nice potential testing this pivot. And this candle is going to be very, very important. May candle is going to be very, very important for the market. And any pullback to here and then reversal could be a great buying opportunity. So I'm just waiting for that one. Still need to be patient. Everyone needs to be patient on that one as well. So Dow Jones has a fantastic move to the upside. So as I said, Dow would be a great buying opportunity and a pullback. If you've seen my weekly analysis, I just told you that that's going to be a perfect level. However, we got back into SMA 20. Probably buyers are going to come it back again. And the resumption for the rally, sure enough, we had a fantastic move to the upside. So if you just look at the size of the Dow, you will see what I mean. Like lots of people just getting back into Dow. So this means we should see the next phase of the rally could be Dow would be the leader, like banks, energy, financial, and also miners. Some miners could be a rocket star for the next rally, and also healthcare as well. So healthcare, there are lots of good potentials in healthcare stocks. CVS, United Health, Johnson & Johnson, they could be kind of like the outperformer for the next rally, especially Johnson & Johnson and CVS. They have a good potential for the rally. So right now, just Dow forming a very, very nice bullish momentum. This bull flag, if this bull flag triggers to the upside, I should say 37,000 for new all-time high is coming down the road for Dow Jones. So we will see how it goes. But all in all, when I see stochastic, RSI, MACD, they're just forming very, very nice bullish momentum to the upside. So we will see how it goes. Moving on to some individual names, and starting with yield as usual. So yield had a nice bottoming formation here. Bearish consolidation here. So this bullish consolidation fails and to the downside. So CPI can be a decisive moment for yield. If CPI is coming below expectation, which is below 3.5 or so, that would be sharp sell-off for CPI. And that's going to be a sharp sell-off for yield as well. So that's going to just initiate rally for TLT, which is going to be a treasury. Treasury had a bearish harami today. So not a good price action after this snap back to the upside. Still, treasury could be a good buying opportunity here. I'm just waiting for it to be honest, forming a base. Then I will get to this one when it's getting ready. So I'm just waiting for a more pattern and looking for a more reversal pattern to the upside. So treasury could be a good play for us. Moving on to the gold coming down as well. So today it was like a surprisingly gold down, treasury down, and the yield was not as strong. So that was kind of like a surprising because usually gold and treasury is going at the same time, going to the one direction, and it's going to be the opposite direction of the yield. But yield was kind of like a negative, like a slightly positive, but as I show you, the candle was pretty bearish. So we're just forming this trend line here for gold, and we should see if it gets back nicely, reversal to the upside, it can go all the way down, all the way up here to 1980. And I'm just looking for this as like a reverse head and shoulder. So if you just know this pattern, so this would be something like this. And if it goes above the neckline, we can go all the way up to kind of like size of the right shoulder, or the full size is going to be just the head to the neckline. So right now we have this neckline here. Let me show you here. So we've got this neckline here, and we're just forming a nice reverse head and shoulder. But this one needs to show a strong reversal to the upside. Probably CPI is going to be kind of like excuse or mover for this one to the downside or to the upside. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to the crude. Crude just a doji negative bar. So nothing bad, nothing good with crude. Still holding up pretty well. This snapback reversal has followed through on Friday. So we are just getting to a very, very decisive moment. Crude, just any pullback to here, I should say, is going to be a buying opportunity, which we did just the last week. And right now, I'm just looking for, to be honest, consolidation. So this consolidation shouldn't go below this area, which is going to be $78. So if it consolidates here around like above 81 to kind of like 82, 83, that would just initiate a rally all the way up to probably 93, 90, 91 is going to be my first target here. So the first one actually is going to be 84, which is going to be pretty close, but we can just go all the way up to here to 91. So we will see how it goes. VIX coming down today again. So VIX just a smash down, but that would be kind of like, I should say, it's getting to kind of like the buying scenario. VIX, if it goes down here another time, we can see kind of like a nice pullback. And to be honest, VIX is forming a very nice bottoming formation. So if it goes again here, somewhere around here, and then we will see that would be again another reverse head and shoulder, and that could be spiky. It can go all the way up to here to 25 to $26. So we will see how it goes with VIX. DXY, just a positive day, nothing bad, nothing good, just warm up pretty well. So market just gives us a kind of like different mixed scenarios. DXY hold up pretty well, yield is coming down. So everything depends on CPI number on August 10th, which is Thursday. So if CPI is coming pretty strong, DXY can go again going higher. So we can just see DXY to 104. But if CPI is coming somewhere around expectation or below expectation, that can just initiate a sell-off to even $95 for DXY. So we can just take out this pivotal point and then going down to $95. So we will see how it goes with DXY. Magma index, this one just at the bullish momentum today. Nothing bad, nothing good so far. It's just holding up this triangle. But if this triangle break out to the downside, which I think it's going to happen, not this week, next week, but it can happen soon, then it can go down all the way to 1,000 and even lower. I'm just looking for, to be honest, this gap to be filled around 900 to 880. So we will see how it goes with this magma. Moving on to Apple, which was kind of like sell-off, again, continuous sell-off today. So it was like an ugly shape for Apple. Apple exactly go down to this gap. So it comes down to this demand area. So we should see Apple is coming back up. So if you're an aggressive trader, you can just put your stop loss here below this 175, 174 below this, and Apple can go reversal to here, I should say to 187, which is going to be a nice risk to reward. So it's going to be 1 to 2, nothing bad, but I'm not sure if Apple goes above this. So it can just back test here and then getting ready for another sharp sell-off to here, which is going to be a good buying opportunity if you ask me. So I'm just looking for that one. Amazon just had a positive day. Not a bad price action, to be honest, for Amazon. Hold up pretty well. This gap coming down here, it was pretty ugly at the early session, but later on, Amazon just reversed back to the upside. And even after market holds up pretty well, Meta as well. So Meta just forms a pretty nice bullish consolidation here. So Meta is coming back up again. Microsoft was kind of like a strong the whole entire session. So Microsoft, if Microsoft hold up this level, that could be another rally, probably top of this candle. So it's going to be 350 to 355. That's going to be the top. And I think it's going to form another head and shoulder on the top. And it could just be getting ready for another, like a very, very nice down tick to here, to 260, 270, 290. That's going to be the levels that I'm looking for Microsoft, and like a buying opportunity. Again, these ones are coming to our level. Just be patient, stick tight, and we will get to those ones when it's getting to the time. Right now, they're just forming the popping formation. So again, just be careful on that. Google, pretty nice bullish action. To be honest, Google is one of the best among the technology. Right now, it's going to be like a cheap one. And Google just forming a very, very nice reverse head and shoulder, the bigger time frame, and it can just go to new all-time high probably this year or so. So I'm just getting bullish on this. Any pullback could be a nice buying opportunity. However, right now, Google just forming pretty nice. So if you go to weekly chart, this pattern is fantastic. So look at that. So here, this one was another one. Like I remember I told all my subscribers this consolidation is a fantastic buying opportunity because lots of patterns just getting formed. Here is the leapfrog pattern. Here is kind of like a QM pattern, reverse QM pattern, bullish consolidation. All three patterns came at the same time for this move to the upside. Right now, again, Google needs to consolidate here more. If it consolidates here because of this supply area or this breakout level, that could give us a nice buying opportunity for at least double top or new all-time high. So that's what I'm looking for Google, to be honest, right now. Netflix, just $9.61 up. So not a bad, not a good. Tesla, $2.41 up. Actually down, but a nice bottoming tail here. So Tesla is forming right now. Just hold up this pivotal point. Again, this pivotal point, especially today, price action, Dragonfly Doji at the bottom shows the importance of this pivotal point. If it goes below 240, one daily candle, Tesla can initiate sell-off here all the way to here to 27, 222. So we'll see how it goes, but this is going to be a very, very important. This is the ending diagonal just formed to the downside, but coming back nicely. So we give a neutral action on Tesla on the upper side. So if Tesla goes here, I think 270 to 280, that's going to be kind of like another selling opportunity. So you know what I'm getting at. So different patterns are just forming in different stocks. Semiconductor, they were strong today. So semiconductors, SMH, they're just coming back up again. This doji bar, nice follow through. Still within this wide range bar. So in semis, we have got Philadelphia Semiconductor Index as well. So this one is forming the same pattern. TSM just forming up positive today. Aftermarket just had a sell off as well, but TSM not as strong at all. AMD, this one just challenging. You're struggling in this area. So AMD needs to go above 120. Pretty nice sharp close above 120. Other than that, AMD could be kind of like a VIX and it can go down. If it goes back down again to 1.7, which I think it's going to happen, if it goes back down there, so we should see a sell-off all the way to here, $85 to $90. So that's what I'm looking for. NVIDIA, this one just coming back up. So far, it's just forming kind of like same price action here. So look at that. NVIDIA is going up. And then here is another lower high. NVIDIA, just one candle probably. And then we can see another sell-off to here. Earning is going to be next week or so. So we are not in rush in NVIDIA. Texas Instruments, 52 cents up. It's kind of like a forming another bottoming tail here. But after market, it just has a sell-off. So Texas Instrument is not that strong. Lam Research was a strong. So Lam Research is one of those names that hold up pretty well. So I'm just looking for another probably a sell-off to here to this area, but seems like it just hold up pretty well. Nothing bad at all. So moving on to the financials XLF, which was a down mover today. Let's look at the candle. So this one just forming a bullish consolidation. But on Friday, just went up and then coming down. But today, just the stop hunt, everyone just put the stop losses here. So I think this one can go here. Any close above this, this one can go to 36 or $37. KBE, just 44 cents to the upside. Pretty nice price action. This one can go all the way. The next one is going to be 43. But I'm going to show you here another one. So this one can go all the way up to here to 45. And then the next level is going to be here as well. So if we just want to give us a more update on this, 47 as well. I'm still looking for, to be honest, more upside in financials. This is just the beginning of the move for the banks. KRE, this one is going up as well. So the important one is here in this doji is going to be $52. 51 to $52. That's going to be important one. And the next level is going to be within this wide range bar. So it has a nice sell off to the downside, but right now it just have a nice rally as well since March. JP Morgan, this one 74 cents to the upside, very good price action. JP Morgan. Goldman Sachs $2.34 to the upside. The Doji bar just forming a bullish consolidation. Bank of America, nice snapback to the upside. Wells Fargo, it's kind of like a V. It's not following the banking sector for now, so we will see how it goes. Gold miners, they're just following the gold, just forming a bearish consolidation. To be honest, I'm not happy with the price action. Probably a down tick again for the gold miners GDX. So this one can go down here to just back test $27. So we'll see how it goes. But right now, it doesn't hold up pretty well. GDXJ, 18 cents to the downside, still above this. So we need a better price action. Come on, guys. So we need to have a better price action for gold miners. Right now, the pattern is not that bad. So it's kind of like a reverse QM pattern, but we need to have a reversal. If reversal comes back, the sharp candle to the upside, that would be a fantastic confirmation for the upside move. AEM 9 cents to the downside, nothing bad, nothing good. NEM 39 cents. This is a bearish consolidation, not a good at all. So consolidation prior this pivot, this means can go lower. Franco Nevada $1.21 to the downside. This one as well. So consolidation prior this pivot, this one can go down as well. Gold Bank 1 cent to the upside, the same pattern, consolidation bearish. XLE, which is a Spider Energy, 10 cents to the upside, good consolidation here. It can go all the way up to $90 if crude goes up. I'm still looking for consolidation on these names. XOP just 80 cents up. OIH coming down $2.41. Exxon 22 cents down. Still struggling in this pivotal point. More consolidation can just give us a breakout to the upside. Chevron just 58 cents. This one is consolidating nicely as well. Oxy, this one just jump above this trend line. Fantastic. So, but we need to have a strong candle to the upside, and we need to take out this $66 in a daily close. We will see how it goes with Oxy. This is my favorite one. I have got this in my position right now. We are in profit slightly, but I'm just, to be honest, looking for more upside in Oxy. Rig, just a hammer today. Lose SMA 20, it goes back down here. So probably $7.64. That's going to be kind of like a buyer's resumption. I'm looking for a deeper correction for this. Then we can just get back to this name as well. I think I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.